Master Async and Await and Dependency Injection in SwiftUI with the builder pattern for cleaner, more efficient iOS apps. As you can see on the screen, we are able to fetch different types of payloads such as users, products, and orders. Using the builder pattern will simplify the API requests by breaking setup into smaller and reusable functions. This is the application that we will be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. We'll be using 3 different endpoints in this tutorial that includes users.json, so this is the full URL, and the actual key values that we will be extracting includes the users array and ID key with the related value and the name and the email and the row. So that's that payload for the user's endpoint. The next endpoint we need to use includes products, and for the products we'll be using the ID, name, price, category, and the in-stock key values. And then the final endpoint we will use is orders. For the orders payload, we'll be using or extracting the following keys, which are ID, user's ID, product's ID that contains an array of products IDs, total price, status, and order date. Within your content view, within your iOS project, create a new file called responses, which is a new Swift file. And then the next thing we need to do is to create our actual codable structs. Which are struct, user, codable, identifiable, let, ID, int. So these are the key values that we're extracting from the JSON payload. Let name string, let email string, let row string. And then we have to do the similar thing for products. So that's structs, product, codable, identifiable, let ID int, let name string, let price double, let category string, let in stock bool. We will be creating on the course. The application includes 3 buttons on the main menu, which are Create To-Dos, List All To-Dos, or To-Do Stats. Clicking on Create To-Dos enables the user to add a new to-do. For example, I'll create one right now. The to-do is to collect relative from airport. Master core data and build real apps like to-do lists with notifications, pie charts, and address lookup. Learn advanced SwiftUI techniques and gain the skills to create professional apps. Join now and start your journey. The next codable struct we need to create is called orders. Struct, order, codable, identifiable, as we have to loop through the array. Let ID int, let user ID int, let product IDs, which is an array of integers, let total price, which is a double data type, let status, which is string, let order date, which is string. Now we need to create an API response struct. The purpose of that struct is to hold an array of all of our other structs. Struct API response codable, let user hold an array of users from the user struct, which is on lines 10. Let products, which is also optional, an array of products. Let orders, order. Want to build your own Connect4 app? Now you can. Download the free source code and start building today. The link is in the description below. The final struct we need to create is error message, and the purpose of the error message struct is to enable messages to be displayed on the UI if an error happens or not. So each error message will have a unique identifiable ID, and each error message will have the textual information of the error. In next week's tutorial, we will start to implement the builder class for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.